Nadadali niyo hanggang sa paglaki niya.
Both of my parents taught me taught us to be thankful for what you have, what's on the table, what's around you.
Parang enjoy lang. Kailangan ko lang namin yung sarap.
Ito yung balat sa dulo.
Balat, laman, tapos gravy.
Tapos yung upo.
Okay, may